Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. In today's recipe we are making assorted meat pepper soup with yam. So if you really want to see how I prepare this delicious pepper soup, make sure you watch till the end. Okay, so now let me introduce you to our ingredients. Okay, for the ingredients I have different parts of beef. I have the tripe, the heart, some beef, the kidney, some pepper soup spicy, and the main ingredients for pepper soup, calabash nutmeg. I will be blending it later. Salt and seasoning cube. Here I have ginger, garlic, habanero pepper, 1 onion, and bell pepper. I also have fresh scent leaf, and lastly but not the least, the yam itself. Okay, to start, in a clean pot I will add the beef meat and the shake. I will be cooking these two firstly together because the two has the same cooking process. I will add the blended onion, ginger, and the garlic. Season with some salt. The seasoning cube. I will stir everything together. After that, I will add some water, cover the pot, and I will cook this for 20 minutes before adding the liver and the heart. Okay, after 20 minutes, I will now go ahead and add the liver, the heart. So these two, they don't take time to cook. That's why I'm adding them now. I will stir everything together. I will add a little more of water. And some of this pepper soup spicy. I will add half of it and reserve half of it for later use. After that, I will cover the pot and continue cooking. Okay, our pepper soup has been cooking for 15 minutes after I added the liver and the heart. At this moment, I will go ahead and add the yam. I will give it a quick and gentle stir. I will cover the pot and cook until the yams are soft. So I will check if the yams are ready. You can see they are now well cooked. So I will be taking them out so that I will be able to mix the pepper soup very well. Also to avoid thickening of the pepper soup. Okay, that is done. I will now go ahead and add our calabash nutmeg that I blended, the remaining pepper soup spicy, I will stir everything together. Our pepper soup is almost done. Please, if you are watching till now, please do me a favor by hitting that like button, okay? And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, okay? It's free of charge. I will also add a blended pepper. This is a combination of habanero pepper and bell pepper. The bell pepper is just for color. I will cover and leave it to cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, our pepper soup is almost ready. My kitchen smells so amazing right now. Lastly, I will add this fresh scent leaf. Stir everything together. Wow, this pepper soup tasted so delicious. I will cover and cook for another 30 seconds. After that, I will introduce back our yam to the pepper soup. After that, our pepper soup is ready. So that is it for today. If you have enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Until we see you next time, bye bye and remain blessed.